Hello guys, Lego Creations here, and we are here with part 2 of a video on how to build a Lego vending machine. In this episode, I'll be showing you how to make a Lego classic vending machine tall enough for your Lego guy. Let's get started. I'll be splitting this up into two main pieces, or to two main parts. This is the bottom base. Let's get right to the pieces. Here are the pieces you're going to need. You're going to need a 4x4 flat plate, but I just used some pieces like a 2x3 flat plate and a 1x4 flat. A glass piece, 3 1x4s, but I had to use something else for that. 4 1x2 bricks, and a slope. Let's get started. Here's the assembly. You're going to take your 4x4 flat plate and place it on the ground like so, and then take your slope piece that is 3 bricks long and place it on the pieces like so. Now you're going to take your glass piece facing inward like that, and it can be any color you want. Now you take 2 of your 1x4s and place them on each side of your slope piece. Now take another 1x4, place it there, a 2x2 brick or a 1x2 brick, place it on each side, and then finish it off with your last 2x2 bricks. That is your bottom base. Let's move on to the top base. This is your top base with your little cones inside. I'll give you a quick tour. There you go. Let's get to the assembly. Here are the pieces you're going to need for your top part. You're going to need a 1x4 flat plate, and once again I used 2 2x3s and a 1x4, 2x2 black flat, 2 cones, a glass piece, 2 bricks with the studs on top, 2 1x2 flat plates, a smooth tile, 2 2x4 plates, 4 2x1 or 1x2 bricks, and 4 1x3 bricks. Let's get to the assembly. You're going to take your 1x2 brick or your 4x4 flat, and then start by putting your 1 brick right there. Following behind that, you're going to need a 1x3 brick, like so. Now, place this on top, like so, top of that. Now, take a 1x2, put it right next to your 2x3 on the edge like that, and then 2 more 2x2s. Boom. Now you can place your glass piece like so. Now you're going to take your 1x3, start by on this side, place it there so it'll connect like a brick, and then finish off with your last 2 bricks, like so. Set that aside for now. For your 4 studs, for the 2 front pieces on this, preferably red, pink, orange, or yellow, but you can have them be any color you want. For now, I'm going to use pink and red. But for the cones, you take your 2 cones, place them in, pretty easy. Now take your 2x2 flat plate and place them on the edge, like so. And then put a 1x2 flat following that. Now you can take another 1x2 plate and a 1x2 brick. Place that on top. Now you take your vent looking piece. Boom. Now take this back, flip it like that so you can see, and put this on the back, and it'll look like this. Now you take this and you set it inside just like that, and then it'll just do that. Now you take your two 2x4s, place them on top, and now your last two of choice pieces, put them right there. Let's assemble this. Yeah, pretty easy. All you're gonna do is take this piece, put it on top, facing that. And that is your classic vending machine. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video of a Lego vending machine. Comment on what my next Lego creation should be. I had a old account. It was called iPhone Noobs or Peyton Ingle, and it had a video of Lego cool things to create and a Lego airplane. So yeah, just comment, rate, subscribe to my channel for more videos, more creations, and once again, thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked it. Lego Creations out.